Amy, thank you. Happening today, a case that drew national attention is back in the headlines. The murder trial of former Franklin County Deputy Jason Meade. He's accused of shooting and killing Casey Goodson more than 3 years ago. Today, that trial is finally set to begin. The shooting happened on December 4th, 2020. And at issue is whether the former deputy was justified in his use of force. Today, the jury selection process begins in this case. And 10 TV's Kevin Landers joins us now live outside the Franklin County Courthouse. And Kevin, really finding an objective jury will be key to this case.
Yeah, normally in officer shootings, you have body-worn camera that captures what happened, but not in this case because it wasn't available. So jurors will have to rely on evidence from the crime scene as well as testimony from the former deputy, as well as what Casey Goodson Jr.'s family recalls about what happened. Now, at the heart of this case is whether former Deputy Jason Meade was justified in the shooting. Meade, who was a member of the Franklin County SWAT team, was searching for another fugitive when he says he saw Casey Goodson Jr. waving a gun and pointing it at him. According to Meade's attorney, the former deputy followed Goodson Jr. and allegedly told Goodson to show his hands and drop his gun. Goodson Jr.'s family says Goodson was listening to music on wireless earbuds when he was shot and would not have been able to hear Meade's commands. Meade's attorney says Goodson pointed his weapon at Meade, who opened fire. Goodson's family has said Goodson was legally licensed to carry a concealed handgun, but was holding Subway sandwiches and keys in his hands, not a gun, while unlocking a door. 10 TV spoke to Goodson's mother about the start of the trial.
It means that we can finally start our healing process. It means I can finally start grieving.
Goodson was shot 6 times, 5 in the back, once in the side. Because the Franklin County prosecutor also represents the Sheriff's Department, a special prosecutor was called in to handle this case. Reporting live outside the Franklin County Courthouse, Kevin Landers, 10 TV News.
All right, Kevin, of course, we'll follow this as Jason Meade is facing 2 counts of murder and 1 count of reckless homicide. Now, on the eve of this trial starting, Casey's mother, Tamala Payne, spoke with us again last night, and this is what she had to say.
We won't hold any hate in our hearts, and we won't hold any malice in our hearts. He's taken enough away from us, so we won't give him that power. But we do pray that, for his heart, for his soul, and that he's held accountable for what he did to Casey and our family.
Other family friends came together for this vigil last night at a Columbus church. Be sure to download our 10 TV app to get those daily updates coming out of this trial.